and we are back with another video.
So as Christmas is around the corner, so we thought of buying advent calendar again this year.
Yeah, and if you don't know what advent calendar is, it's like a box filled with gifts, and it's like a countdown till Christmas Eve. So every day you get a gift.
Yeah.
So
It's pretty difficult to find advent calendar in India. So only place has good advent calendar that we know is H&M. So last year we got our advent calendar from H&M.
So this year also we decided to shop again from H&M, but then when I saw the pictures online, the accessories
were not that good.
Yeah.
We were not that convinced to buy it.
Yeah.
So
and
we
didn't wanted to spend 2,300 for that.
Those
jewelry.
basic accessories.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just thought of making our own advent calendar of all those goodies that we wanted as gifts. So we thought of making our own advent calendar. So in this video we'll be showing you how to make, how to DIY your own advent calendar.
Yeah, and this is like a perfect gift for your sisters, your best friends.
Yeah,
like
it's just perfect.
Yeah,
they would be the happiest.
So basically advent calendar is like, for example, H&M, so their category is only jewelry.
Yeah.
So in their advent calendars you will only get
jewelry.
Yeah.
So there are specifically advent calendars for chocolates also.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you will get only chocolates. They only have chocolate in that
different sort of chocolates.
Yeah. So, but we wanted a wide range of goodies and different kinds of products. So, our advent calendar is
based
extravagant.
Yes, and it's based on 5 categories like makeup, skincare, chocolate,
accessories, fashion accessories, phone accessories.
Yeah. So in the makeup, we've got nail paint, lipstick,
makeup brushes,
eyelashes, and eyeshadow.
Yeah. Fashion accessories, we've got earrings, keychain, pendant, bracelet,
brooch, there's a brooch,
necklace,
neckpiece, sunglasses, and the third category that we have,
phone accessories.
Phone accessories. In phone accessories we
got that furry cute
cover and one selfie light.
Put one chocolate also.
Yeah. And the last category is the skincare. So we've got like a beauty essence,
hand cream.
Yeah.
Did we say beauty blender and that thing? We also have beauty blender in makeup.
Yeah.
Hand cream,
face mask.
So you can select any one category also if you want. Yeah, we have given you, we have selected 5 categories to give you idea of what all things you can put in it. If you want to know how we DIY and made our advent calendar, then keep on watching.
So for this DIY you will need shoe boxes, 24 gifts, scale, cutter, scissors, sellotape, double-sided tape, stapler, gift wrapping paper and crepe paper. So we've selected these 3 boxes. If their heights don't match, then cut them accordingly. So our box was a little damaged, so we just fixed it with a sellotape and it's good to go. So now gift wrap all the 3 boxes from outside. So after wrapping your boxes, place your gifts accordingly, like so, and mark their places to make a grid. Now take a piece of cardboard or your shoebox flap and mark the height and width of the box to make the panels. Now check the panels if they fit, and then check the inner panels as well. Mark the points and then cut it as shown in the video. And stick it with the help of a double-sided tape. Now stick the boxes with the help of double-sided tape. Now to make it more secure and sturdy, tape it from the backside as shown in the video. So this helps the box to stand and it will not tear apart. So the box looks something like this. Now with the help of the double-sided tape, stick your gifts. Now take 2 crepe papers and stick it as shown in the video. So the next step is to keep 1-inch gap and then cut off the excess. After that, make side slits and then tape it. So now locate the grids and draw the lines. Now number your boxes randomly and you are done. So we've kept our advent simple, but you can decorate it with your own preference.
So yeah, this is how our advent turned out and we are really very impressed.
Yeah,
So this is the first time that we ever made our own advent calendar.
Yup, and it's so huge.
Yeah.
God.
We've numbered it randomly and instantly we really forgot everything.
Yeah.
We of course know that what all gifts are inside, but then we don't know which gift you're gonna get on which day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll just
open up one thing.
Yeah. So we'll open this one because first. So it's very
So open carefully.
Yeah.
In that area only. Yay! Oh, don't, Nisha, don't tear it. Yeah.
Sorry. It's very easy because it's a crepe paper, so I can already see my gift. Hold up. Let them have a look. So as you can see, you get a gift, and
so we've stuck it with double-sided tape so it doesn't fall. So just pull it out. And yeah, our day 1 gift is a beautiful belt that you can wear it.
this is how the
Belt is. I love the belt.
I love that belt too.
Yeah.
So this is our first gift, and I'm really excited to open this till Christmas. Yeah, we really are impressed how it turned out. It's worth a try.
So yeah, that's it for today's video.
I hope you guys liked it.
Don't forget to hit the like button
and do subscribe to our channel.
Bye.